For guided practice 2, find the definite integrals. For A, first of all, we will use this formula. Integral of 1 over square root of x dx equals 2 square root of x plus c. Therefore, we will get 2 times square root 2x minus 3. Do not forget 1 over a, so 1 over 2. Then you do bracket from 2 to 6. We organize inside. You will get the square root 2x minus 3 from 2 to 6. Then we substitute 6 for x. You will get the square root 2 times 6 minus 3. Then minus bracket. We substitute 2 for x. You will get the square root 2 times 2 minus 3. So square root of 9 will be 3 minus square root of 1 is 1. Your answer equals 2. Now let's go to B. We know integral e to the x power dx equals e to the x power plus c. Therefore, you will get e to the 1 minus x first. Then do not forget 1 over a will be 1 over negative 1. Then bracket from 0 to 1. We organize, you will get the negative e to the 1 minus x power from 0 to 1. Then we substitute 1 first. You will get the negative e 1 minus 1. Then here minus bracket. We will substitute 0 for x. You will get negative e 1 minus 0. So you get the e to the 0 power will be 1, negative 1. Negative negative will be positive. E to the first power, which is e. Now let's go to C. For C, since we have a definite integral sin x dx equals negative cosine x plus c. Therefore, you will get bracket negative cosine 3x. Do not forget 1 over a will be 1 over 3. Then bracket back from 0 to pi over 6. Therefore, you will get, we organize inside, negative 1 over 3 cosine 3x. Bracket from 0 to pi over 6. Then we substitute pi over 6 for x. You will get negative 1 over 3 cosine 3 times pi over 6. Then don't forget subtract bracket. This time we substitute 0 for x. You will get the negative 1 over 3 cosine 3 times 0. So you get cosine 3 times pi over 6 is pi over 2. Cosine pi over 2 will be 0. So you get the 0. Negative negative will be positive here. So we add 1 over 3. Cosine 0 is 1. Therefore, your answer will be 1 over 3. Now let's go to D. For sine square x, you have to use 1 minus cosine 2x over 2. So we get integral from 0 to pi over 2. 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 2x dx. We separate, you will get the integral from 0 to pi over 2, 1/2 dx minus integral from 0 to pi over 2, 1/2 cosine 2x dx. For the first part, you will get 1/2 x from 0 to pi over 2, then minus. We will do the bracket. 1/2 for integral cosine x dx, you will get sine x plus c. Therefore, you will get the 1/2 sine 2x. Don't forget 1 over a, that will be 1 over 2. Then from 0 to pi over 2. For first part, you will get the 1/2 times pi over 2 minus 1/2 times 0. Then minus, we still do bracket here. 1 over 4 sine 2x from 0 to pi over 2. So we get here is pi over 4 for the first part. For second part, let's move over here. You will get 1 over 4 sine 2 times pi over 2. Then minus 1 over 4 sine 2 times 0. You will get 0 minus 0 because sine pi equals 0, sine 0 equals 0. You will get 0. Then write down minus 0 equals pi over 4.